Talk about how can you delete account on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile, you just click on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on delete account. Then you click here on delete. Then it's going to delete with you here on your Mimo app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.